To inspect or replace the drive belt on your Ranger 570, follow these steps. Ensure the vehicle is on a flat level surface. Ensure the vehicle is in park. Lift the cargo box. Remove the 8 fasteners securing the outer clutch cover to the vehicle. Tilt the clutch cover back and carefully remove from the rear of the vehicle. Inspect the clutch cover seal and replace if needed. Note the drive belt direction of rotation so it can be installed in the same direction. Squeeze the belt in the center to spread the clutch sheaves. Carefully walk the belt off the driven clutch and remove from the drive clutch. Inspect the belt for any fraying, hourglassing, loose cords, missing cogs, abrasions, burns, or damage and replace if needed. Clean out the inside of the clutch covers thoroughly. Warning: failure to remove all debris when replacing the belt could result in vehicle damage, loss of control, and severe injury or death. When reinstalling the belt, ensure the belt is installed in the same direction of travel. If replacing the belt, install so the part number on the belt is facing outward. Loop the belt over the drive clutch and begin to walk it over the driven clutch sheave. Spin the driven clutch 5 to 7 times to help seat the belt. Carefully reinstall the clutch cover, ensuring the cover seal is fully seated. Install the 8 clutch cover fasteners and torque to specification. Lower the cargo box. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.